Yeah, let's talk about Alexandra Isak, the misfiring Alexandra Isak, the money wasted Alexandra Isak. 4 appearances in the Premier League, 0 goals. Liverpool fans, what do you think about Alexandra Isak? I know you guys are on about Victor Gyökeres. Say a lot of stuff about Gyökeres. Hmm? What about Isak? 150 million wasted. 150 million in the drain. Alexander Isak, 4 appearances in the Premier League, 0 goals. Some fans were saying he needs to adapt, he needs to do this, he needs to adapt to the system. So what are you saying? A player who has been in the Premier League for more than 3 seasons. So what kind of adapt do you want? What kind of adapt again are you looking for? Are you waiting for? 4 appearances in the Premier League, no goals. No even signed. He wasn't even playing well against Liverpool, against Manchester United last weekend. I was asking the guy beside me, say, is Isak in this match? The guy was like, yes, now Isak started. I was like, eh? I didn't even see Isak on that match until he had a shot on target on 25 to 28 minutes that he hit on shot on target. That's where I saw him. So, Liverpool fans, what do you think about Isak? Should he still start again ahead of Ekitike? Or should Ekitike start ahead of him? So, what do you think about Isak? Hmm? Is he a 150 million money wasted player? Or